Hello, welcome to the Citrix Ready Partner Speak series. My name is Divya Sagar and I'm the marketing manager for the Citrix Ready program. Today I have with me Venki from Primadesk. He's the CEO and founder of Primadesk, and we're going to talk about their enterprise product called Unifile. Primadesk is a Citrix Ready partner, and Unifile is listed on the Citrix Ready marketplace. So Venki, hello.
Hi.
Can you quickly introduce yourself, your company, and something about your product?
So now that you talked about me, I'll talk about the product. Unifile brings together all the files resources that companies have, like file shares, ShareFile, SharePoint, Box, Dropbox. So it gives a single dashboard for the employees so that they can search, manage, edit and share files using a single dashboard without having to log into each one of these different file shares. And we also secure the file shares selectively so that it can encrypt some of the file shares. So if you go through Unifile, you will be able to work with the files without any problem. But then if you go directly, then the files will be encrypted. You will not be able to work properly. So we give you the flexibility, but also the security to manage your files.
Sounds great. So, can you explain a bit about the technical integration of Unifile with various Citrix products?
Sure. So we integrated with Citrix Zen app, Zen desktops, and Zen mobile. So our app is Zen mobile certified. So inside Zen mobile container, you will be able to manage files no matter where the files are located, from Box, Dropbox, wherever. You can securely bring it down, edit it, and put it back. And with Zen app, a similar integration, so you can pick files from anywhere, SharePoint, ShareFile, Dropbox, Box, and edit it using apps published on Zen app. And then, after the edit, the files go back to where it came from. The file never comes down to the device, making it really secure. With Zen Desktop, we have you can mount Unifile as a drive for your Zen desktop, so the users will have access to all their files right from their file explorer. So that's how we integrate with various Citrix
Okay.
products.
And Unifile is also an enterprise app, right? And how does that enhance Zen Mobile?
So Zen Mobile does a very good job of enforcing policies, and it also has email. But for when it comes to content that is distributed all over the place, the Zen Mobile doesn't have a solution, and that's where, as a work certified app, we help enterprises manage the files on their file share, ShareFile, SharePoint, Box, whatever other file systems that they may use.
Awesome, that sounds good. So let's quickly talk about the Citrix Ready program, right? You are a Citrix Ready partner and you've been engaging with us and working with us closely. So how has that benefited you?
So it has immensely benefited us in the sense that we were able to get some exposure through blogs, through the certification process. We got exposure into Citrix, different groups on Citrix. And also through the Citrix Ready Marketplace, we got several inquiries from customers who saw our product on the marketplace, and then they contacted us and we were able to work with them. So.
Okay, perfect. So, any other closing remarks, or what is your vision going forward on how you want to engage with Citrix Ready all the more?
Yeah. No, we already saw a lot of uptake due to our engagements. That's how we became a Plus partner, and we've come to the Synergy show, and we really are benefiting from all the exposure we get through the Citrix Ready program, and we hope to do more and grow more with you guys.
Awesome. Thank you, Venki.
Thank
That's really helpful. So this is Venki and Divya signing off today from Citrix Synergy. Thank you for watching Citrix Ready Partner Speak series.